Hey folks, Russ here at Mike's Off-Road, back again talking about some bumper work. We're not going to talk so much about the bumper itself. You guys have heard me talk about that a lot. We're going to talk more about the intricacies of installing one and some of the stuff that's involved, and why we suggest you guys bring your purchases to us and let us install them. Several different reasons. One, warranties. We cover everything that we install, of course. Two, it's going to make your life a heck of a lot easier once you see some of the things that got to be done. Today we have a Fab Four matrix bumper. You've seen them before. We've done them on several other vehicles. In this case we have a 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. It's getting the Fab Four matrix bumper, which is winch capable. It's going to house a light bar. It's got the housing for dual pod lights on both sides, and they are equipped for sensors as well. In this case, I kind of want you guys to see what all is involved here. As you can tell, the whole front bumper has come off, the grille, all of the valance and all of the bracketry on the back of the grille that holds it all into place. That's all been removed in order to gain access at the mounting points for this. Everything all the way up to the top that comes across, all your trim pieces that go across your headlight, your side piece that comes up here and then holds on the fender well as well. That all has to be removed so we can gain access to that. And so you don't damage the body parts in the process of installing. It just makes it a lot simpler. However, what that does create is a lot of time to put into that kind of stuff. So over here, I want to talk to you a little bit about the lighting, because there's a lot of different options that we offer for lighting, ranging anywhere from rough country, rigid, Vision X, and Baja designs. You can get any of those light combinations in here as long as the sizing is accurate. Right now we're using rigid lights, and as you can tell, it kind of looks like they're upside down, but they won't be when we're done, I promise. This was just fit and form situation here, getting everything placed in where it needs to be, and then we'll go ahead and get those flipped around and so that the labeling is the right side up. But as you can tell, there's room here on this for two lights in here if you want. You can also do a 6-inch LED light bar. It doesn't have to be a pod light every time, it can be a bar. Or if you choose not to go with lights, there's Fab Fours offers meshing that can go in there, and that's a really cool look too. Over here, so this model of the Chevy Silverado did not come standard with the front sensors. However, Fab Fours does make their bumpers for the sensors for this particular year of truck. So what we did was we had to improvise a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and plug in your block heater in one of the holes, and then we're just going to pop in plugs in the rest of the holes so there's not a bunch of holes sticking in the front of the bumper. Seals everything up, makes everything look nice and fluid, and gives it a really good look, and you don't have a bunch of holes stuck in there either. Thanks again for stopping by, guys, while we're talking about bumpers. Any style, form, fit you want for the trucks that are out there, we're able to handle that. If you need anything, give Dave or Russ a call at the office, 406-586-4103. We will get you hooked up, squared away, whether it's for looks or for function. Either way, thanks again, guys.